I'm Wing Commander Mark Raimondo. I'm Officer Commanding 7 RAF Force Protection Wing based at RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire. We're a specialist force protection unit within the Royal Air Force, responsible for the security and protection of RAF assets wherever they're deployed worldwide. As our aircraft become increasingly capable and sophisticated, they also become increasingly susceptible to hostile interference on the ground. And so it's important to ensure that the aircraft and their supporting elements are appropriately protected when they're not flying. We therefore have RAF Force Protection units who are operating continually 365 days a year to provide this protection. We're currently deployed on Exercise BLAZING CHARIOT so that we can practice and refine our unique tactics and procedures. Our way of operating is specially designed and developed for the complex operating environment around an airfield. And so we've been exercising with our regular and reserve RAF Regiment, RAF Police, intelligence specialists and our joint terminal attack controllers who provide our minute-to-minute link to the aircraft as they operate. Whilst we've been here, we've been working closely with the RAF Force Protection Centre to experiment with different ways of working. The Force Protection Centre has been important to RAF ground operational innovation for the last 20 years since its creation. And during this exercise, we've been working closely to experiment with our new small unmanned air system capabilities. This innovation is especially important as we move forward under Programme Astra to deliver our next generation Air Force, particularly as our potential adversaries develop new capabilities and threats. This experimentation has helped us ensure that our specialist tactics and procedures remain ahead of those adversaries so that we continue to protect RAF assets and aircraft worldwide as we do daily as a force.